Do you send a lot of emails? Are there times when you need to send the same email multiple times? Well, in today's video, I'm going to introduce you to email templates in Outlook, and they might just save you a lot of time. But before we start, just a quick intro. My name is Jonathan Edwards from Integral IT. We help businesses all over the world with their Microsoft 365. Now, email is still the most common communication tool that we use in our businesses. But are there times when you need to send the same email multiple times? Perhaps you work in sales and you might get a new inquiry through your website, so you send the same email with a booking link. Or perhaps you work in finance and you need to chase up some unpaid invoices, so you send the same email chasing up payment. Now, I've seen people use a lot of different tactics to make this work. I've seen people go into their sent items and copy old emails into a new one. Don't forget to change the name at the top. I've also seen people save emails as drafts, and they just simply go into it and copy and paste it. But neither of these tactics are very good. What if I told you there was a better way if you're using Outlook in Microsoft 365? This way is called email templates. You can simply craft your most commonly used emails and save them as templates. When you need to send these, with just 2 clicks, you can send them. It'll save you a whole host of time. Now, the great thing about using these in Microsoft 365 is that these templates are stored in Microsoft 365. So even if you haven't got your usual computer with you, you can hop onto any computer and use email templates over the web. So without further ado, let me show you how these email templates work. Let's jump onto that computer behind me. So this is my Outlook here. So how do you get hold of the email template add-in? Well, I've already got it, but if you've not got it, you will go up to here where it says All Apps, and you click on there, and then you click on Add Apps. Now you've got lots of different apps that you can add into your Outlook. Now you can see here, built for your org, there's one called My Templates by Microsoft, and that is the one we want. So I'll click on there, and I click on Open. Now I've already got this in my Outlook, but that would then add it to your Outlook. So we can then close out of there. Now when I go to open a new email, this is a new email here, you can see at the top right hand corner there's View Templates. So this is where I get my templates from. If I click on there, a little pop-out opens. Now Microsoft have added a few templates to get us started. You probably won't use these. So you hover over it and it gives you some more options. Firstly, if you can delete the template, or you can amend it by clicking here. If you click on there, a little box will open, and then you can type some changes into there and you can click on Save. Now, if you ever want to use a template, you simply go to View Templates and you click on the template and it adds it into your Outlook there. Now, you're probably not going to use these Microsoft templates. They're very, very basic. So how do you create a new one? Well, you simply click on here and then you give your template a title. So a common email that I send on a daily basis is when people contact me and say, I've seen your videos on YouTube, I'd like some more information about your Microsoft 365 support. So I always reply to them and say, thanks for your interest. I'll put it in here now. Book a meeting. Something like that. And then I click on Save. Now you can see that that is here. So I can simply go to here and I can put that into my email. Now that's a little bit bland, as you can see. So what I would usually do to get the template looking a bit better, I'll delete that. I would write my email in this body here. So I'll go ahead and do that now. So this is my finished email here. Now I can format it if we like. I could do something like go onto YouTube, make that yellow. This is just an example. I could make that bold like that. So I can format it however I want. Once I'm happy with that, I can simply copy that. And then I can go out to my View Templates again. I can click on Template, Book Meeting New, we'll call it. And then I can copy that in there. Now you can see that it's added all the formatting. So the red's there, the little smiley face is there. What I would then do is just sort this out a little bit, because it just, a little niggle, it just puts some spaces in, which I don't like, and that'll annoy me. And I can save it, okay? So that is saved there. So simply, I come out of email in future, I go to new email, I go on view templates, and I've got my nicely formatted one here. I simply click on there, it's all there. You've got to put the title in, which is a bit of a pain, but there you go. You put the email address in there, and that has saved a whole bunch of time. So that is email templates in Outlook. So I hope you've enjoyed this quick Outlook tip. Using email templates in Microsoft 365 can save you loads of time. I look forward to seeing you again next week.